Alright, here it is. Random Unboxing 3. This is the last video in the series. I will not be making any more. I do not have time to go back home and film the videos. They come to my hometown and then I would open them there, but they do not come to me anymore. If you want to understand what I'm talking about, you can go back and watch the first video. I explain it all. So this is the last random unboxing video. I hope you enjoy, and I am very sorry that it's taken so long for this video to come out. Please know that I filmed this almost a year ago, so it is probably cringy, but most of my videos are. So either way, I hope you enjoy, and thanks for watching. Oh my gosh, there's too many boxes here. I don't want to record this video. I have been on the run for like the past week. It's spring break, it's Friday right now, and I've been on the run this whole week, working a lot at Menards, where you guys know I work, and it's just a little crazy. So I just got home. It's around 5 o'clock right now, and I have to be back up in Des Moines tomorrow at like 8 o'clock in the morning, so I'm not going to be home for very long, so I'm busting this out for you guys. Okay, we'll start with these three ones. I know I told you guys that I was going to write the price of each thing on the box, but like I said, I've been on the run, so I'm just going to open up these boxes and we'll figure out what they are. These ones, I actually have no idea what's in them. The first two unboxings, I would get notifications and it would say, oh, you got this, or this, and this. So I kind of had an idea, but these ones I haven't been keeping up at all. So we'll figure out what's in them together. Oh gosh, this has styrofoam, so maybe I think I'm gonna take it out of the box and then probably leave it in the box. Okay, I'm a little scared to open up this one. I'm gonna omit, which means I'm not gonna do this one because, okay, so if the camera angle changed, it's because I got a call mid-video. So, whatever. Like I said, I'm not gonna open this because there's something gooey in it and I don't even wanna know what it is. Box one down. It's a Superman 3, Superman Evil version 1/6 to scale collectible figure. Okay, cool. So I'm not gonna open this, but apparently there's a Superman figure in here, 1/6 of the actual size. That's actually pretty cool. Okay, box number 3. This tape job is horrible. Something Star Wars. This actually has a lid that lifts off, so I'll go ahead and show you what's inside. Hopefully you can kind of see that. Interesting. I like to joke with him and tell him that he calls them action figures, but I call them dolls. Obviously that would upset anybody who knows that they're action figures, so that's just a little joke. This one says fragile, handle with care. So this has a bunch of peanuts in it. These little foam peanuts suck because once you start breaking them, then they get everywhere, and then vacuuming them up is a pain. That just spilled. I don't really know what this is. I'll read it though. Action Comics, Man of Steel, Action Comics #1. Okay, good to know. This one looks like a computer case. This is called The Dark Knight Batman Armory with Alfred Pennyworth. I know who that is, but I don't really know what's inside. I'm just not gonna open up this one. Okay, it was a bunch of action figures in there. Again, I'm not gonna open it up, but yeah, you can imagine. Optimus Prime. This is some sort of like toy figure thing because I can hear the parts in there. But anyway, that's what this is. It's in the plastic wrapping, so I'm not going to take it off. But there you go. Optimus Prime. Starscream version. Prime. Transformer. Okay. This one looks like a total pain because I can already see through the tape that there's lots of, I don't want to say confetti, but confetti-like stuff. So, not really looking forward to opening up this one, but gotta do it for the fans. Oh, that's not bad, okay. Apparently it was just stuck on the tape. If you look in here, Thor. Thor's actually really cool. If I had to pick, I don't know, if I had to pick a favorite superhero, if Thor is even a superhero, sorry, I don't really know much about superheroes. I don't know if he's one of my favorite, but I think he's really cool because he's so buff. But anyway, Thor premium format figure. So this is actually an action figure. There's that side. Thunder God of the God of Thunder. So yeah, a Thor action figure, pretty cool. There's a dead bug on here. Okay, I would open it, but there's styrofoam in here, and it's just not a lot of fun. But Superman, I know that Superman is one of his most favorite superheroes. I think it's actually his favorite one. But, and it is Superman premium format. This actually looks like a pretty premium box, and I'm pretty sure that the figure in here would be very premium-like. So, once I get all this stuff over to his house, I'll probably go over and look at some of them because they're probably pretty cool. It's just I don't want to open them up and mess them up. Fragile, handle with care. Okay, so in this box, they, instead of using like packaging stuff or like peanuts, those noodle things, or anything like that, they decided to use what I think are Hot Wheel car, the plastic things. So like, you know when you get a Hot Wheels package and it has that plastic backing, or the cardboard backing that has this plastic piece that covers the car? He filled it with these. Very original. Well, let's see what's in this box. This is fragile. I should probably be more careful with it. Star Wars. Okay. This is Star Wars speeder bike. 6th scale. 1/6 the scale. Okay. Hopefully you can see that's a little dark. I'll probably move in. Interesting. Okay. Okay, we got 2 boxes left. A bigger one and this semi-smaller one. Yeah, we'll see what's in it. That hurt my finger. Okay. I don't watch Game of Thrones, but maybe I should get into it because a lot of people enjoy it. But here's my problem. I think the episodes are like 50 minutes long. My attention span's not that long. I could watch 20 minutes max. Either way, this is Game of Thrones, and it looks like big enough to where it's got these 3 things in here. But yeah, so any of you Game of Thrones fans out there, you might enjoy this. Oh wait, never mind. I think it just has this one. I'm not even gonna say the name. I'm just gonna show you because I don't really know how to say it because I don't watch Game of Thrones. So maybe this is all that's just in it. Either way, it's really heavy, so that platform must be pretty solid. Okay, last one. Whew. You're gonna have to give me a minute because I do not know what this is. Gypsy Danges? I don't know what this is. It's a statue of some sort. Huh. I have no idea what this is. There's some figure here in the back, but I'm gonna not show it because she's her outfit's a little questiony, so I'm gonna leave it. Okay, either way. Whew. That may not seem like it took a long time, but I'm pretty sure this video like at least took 30 minutes to make. And they were all up in my room. I had to carry them down here. I had no help, which is fine. But just carry them down here and just, whew, that was a lot. And I would love to tell you the price of all of this combined, but if he was to ever find these videos, that'd be very bad. If his wife was to ever find these videos, that would be very bad. I don't think I've ever dropped any names in any of these series, so I'm not going to. He spent a pretty penny on all of this, and yeah, he spent a lot. I know that, and it's on my credit card, so we're not going to talk about that anymore. I'm not going to drop any names, but yeah, that was a lot of fun opening these up, and for anyone watching this that I used to teach, I miss you guys a lot. And hopefully you guys are having a fun rest of your semester. So thanks for watching and subscribe.